Simana Ndumelana Option, hi, welcome back to Dumi's Tea, itiye elishisa be futhi limnandi mara lifuna ukuthi ulalele noma uliphuze uhamba ngoba uzosha. Sit down and let me unpack this beautiful story. So we saw umsele agqoke iskipa esibhale Siyaprethendelana, which for me I think is his way of launching i-business kaSne. Kwazi bani kungekudala osigqoke ikipa esibhale Siyaprethendelana ikipa zikaSne, because we know that phrase was said by uSne during their dinner at Ingane Zesithembu, whereby they were sitting nabantwana bakibo and she had to voice out how she felt, because she felt ukuthi yazini makunama-camera nifuna ukuba nice kimi, but makunganama-camera niyangijikela ningifuni those type of vibes. But ngoba manje nje niyazi ukuthi abantu banibukele senifuna ukuzenza ngathi manje niyangikhathalela kanjani. And uSne was like, yazini ngikhathele. She was banging the table and said, Siyaprethendelana kahle kahle la. And that is a moment we will never forget, because that phrase has been used a lot in memes that were created from that scene alone, which shows ukuthi inamandla. So imagine, so a t-shirt, obviously we are going to want to wear those t-shirts because yazini Siyaprethendelana vele ngempela. There's homes whereby people don't get along bayaprethendelana, khona abangani bayaprethendelana, lovers, everyone nje kuningi abantu abaprethendanayo. So I feel that if bazokwazi ukuyenza a business, why not? I mean, if you can monetize it, baby. The economy is already bad, imali iyadingeka. So mangabe umsele ubona a business opportunity, obviously umsele is a businessman, so any opportunity yokuthi nje imali ingene, why not, you know? And I'm looking forward. Would I buy that t-shirt? Definitely, if I do have money. Why not? Because I mean, maybe namkhona umuntu ongiprethendelayo who needs me with him for yazini Siyaprethendelana. Another thing I need to say is that congratulations to uSne. I know it's not a big deal, but it is, because uSne has her implants inserted, which I believe is a good thing, considering the fact ukuthi kudala ekhulela bemkhuza labo angafuni, and obviously yazithandela iziki high, so angeke bakwazi ukuthi bamstop ukuthi angayenze. So the fact that uthole implant is a very good thing, because now umsele will never have to worry about uSne giving birth, but at least for the next 3 years umsele will be put at ease. So congratulations to her. Sisterhood is proud of you, girlhood is proud of you, motherhood is proud of you. Sne isikhathi sakho manje ukuthi uqoqe impilo yakho, uzi-enjoyele, uziphuzele ijeke mtakabawo without any problems, without any stress. Manje mangahambile umacela ngeke asawarishe ukuthi uSne ukuphi, uSne yangazi ningani futhi. There won't be any pregnancy tests being bought this coming season, Ingane Zesithembu na the coming season of uthando nesithembu, because uSne kumele asifunele enye drama, because leyokhulela ngathi nje sizophela iphelile kulonyaka. So I wonder which drama she will be bringing to them still household, because one thing about uMpumela noSne, they are the ones that are killing the Izingane Zesithembu show. But as we've seen Ukwezi, I feel like Ukwezi is going to bring the fire. Can't wait for the next season to premiere so that we can watch. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't leave without liking, commenting, and subscribing. See you next time.